Hi, welcome to our channel. 2024 Mercedes-Benz C-Class review and prices. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. Pros. Packed with the latest technology features. Roomy interior is quiet on the highway. Good fuel economy with C300. Quick acceleration from AMG C43 and C63 SE performance variants. Cons. Comfort is somewhat elusive. Some controls are distracting to use. What's new? High-performance AMG C63 sedan debuts. Coupe and convertible variants dropped in favor of new CLE model. No other major changes expected. Part of the 5th C-Class generation introduced for 2023. Estimated price, starting around $85,000. Overview. Though many people prefer SUVs to sedans, the 2024 Mercedes-Benz C-Class is an appealing choice in a luxury car with a base price under $50,000. With S-Class looks, an appealing high-tech interior, and the rewarding driving dynamics frequently the domain of cars and not crossovers. The 2024 C-Class delivers class and cachet at a relatively reasonable price. And if you choose to upgrade to the AMG C43 or the new, for 2024 AMG C63 SE performance, you'll experience a compact luxury sedan offering big, or even bigger, thrills. Be sure to read our testing team's full expert rating of the C-Class to learn more. Estimated price, starting around $85,000. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Bye.